Hello, ni hao, I'm Chef Tom. Kung Pao hot pepper shrimp. You don't need to get carried out today. Preheat your skillet. High heat. Nice and hot. Add some vegetable cooking oil. We have this beautiful roasted peanut, dry chili, green onion, spring onion. We're going to cook everything for a few minutes. We want the flavor. This is a popular dish at the restaurant. And you can choose your popular shrimp. This one I got is Ocean Garden. Peel, devein it. I put 1 tablespoon beaten egg white and 1 tablespoon cornstarch and drizzle some sesame oil for binding. You see, got a little binding. Cover up the coating of the shrimp. Will give them a really nice brown, easier to cook. Trust me, it's going to be so delicious. Oh yeah, look at that, huh? Very simple, easy to cook. And now, of course, we're going to add some garlic, ginger. You should have this awesome aromatic smell, you see? So the shrimp, make sure you pat it dry before you marinate it with the egg white and the cornstarch. This channel is all about convenient, easy to cook. We want to make sure the temperature of your frying skillet is high. Once I add the shrimp in, I let the shrimp get a chance to cook. Shrimp, you know, you don't require long time to cook, right? Here is 12 ounce of 21 count of shrimp, I mean 21 pieces of shrimp equivalent a pound. So it's Ocean Garden, really good shrimp. I'm just, see, very easy to turn pink for the shrimp. As long as you can still hear the sizzle, pan seared. Pan seared means the pot and pan is hot. Everything you put in down, they will sear. Give them the caramelization. Look at that, huh? All right. Now, I love it. Smell delicious. I got this fresh chili too. Now, have to be quick. Sake. Yeah. Oyster sauce. Hoisin sauce. Just a little bit soy sauce, okay? A little bit, not much. Like that, okay? Oh, look at that. Huh? If you want sauce, more sauce, add some stock or water, and it will be okay. If the water and the sauce is a little bit runny, you need some cornstarch mixed with the water, dissolve to thicken the sauce. All right? So this is good. Sesame oil. Your shrimp is done. Cannot cook too long. Oh yeah. Now it's done. Look at that, how beautiful. This is going to be my quick lunch today. So delicious, so tasty. Oh boy, that's the best Kung Pao shrimp ever. Look at that, huh? Gorgeous. Look at that. Spicy, got a lot of flavor. I hope you like the video. I'm Chef Tom. Thank you for watching. I see you next time. Bye. Look at that. Gorgeous.